Welcome one and all. And have you ever wanted and felt the need to know how the markets moved? To know if you should put or pull out your money out of them? Well, I wondered if I could make a machine to do that job for me. So what will it do? It will push and pull based on the currents of the market. Feel markets boom, and so on. You see? This is my god, Misanthrope, born on the 5th of December 2018. So, what are we making? We are basically just making a robot that goes onto my breasts and literally just pushes into them. And varying on the price, it pushes more or pushes less. I can play history and I can play current. Have you ever wanted to know the rises and falls of markets so you can better know when to invest into them? Of course you have. Everyone wants that sweet, sweet, sweet money. Well, I thought about it very, very deeply and understood the one fact about the markets. They're very hard to predict. How am I supposed to know when to put or pull out money? Knowing this fact, I decided upon something much more brutal of an approach. You see, we have eyes. Fuck evolution, because it didn't give us nice eyes. I mean, I would really like to see UV. Like, goddamn, just imagine. Like, fucking windows, they're not transparent in UV. I mean, I want to see through, I want to not be able to see through windows. It would be amazing. I want to see all the birds and all the things they're painted in and so on. So one day that will be a reality in my lifetime. I don't plan to die. I really don't plan to die. And who wants to die? Anyhow, we have eyes for seeing. And our fucking brain is really good at interpreting that information. You know, he gets like a lot of shit, and it's kind of inverted as well. He gets a lot of it. He can make us understand the world around us for all the other senses as well. So I thought about it. I cannot really add neurons at this stage of my life. I can't add neurons to me. But what I can do is reuse some neurons I'm not really using for something else. So it will be some skin neurons. So I thought about it, where should I, search for a place, a really good place to like, steal the neurons, yeah? So I decided on my, why? And yeah, he loves me. Possibly, I don't know, that's unfalsifiable. Have you ever tried making bonsai? You just take a plant, you just cut it a bit, you wire it a bit, and voila! After time you can get a bonsai. I already built the project in the future, which is now. Oh. All right. Ooh. As you can see, I have them on myself now. And if it goes blue, it means the market is not changing that much. So it doesn't really affect me. If it grows red, the price is dropping rapidly. And I have to adjust by pulling out of my nipples. If the price is going green, then it pushes into me and I can feel it. You may hear the noise it makes. Those are the motors pushing into me. This is the present, so I am currently live and feeling the live market. It is not moving much. I can feel it. You can see the colors. I cannot see them from this vantage point. but you can okay, I can definitely feel when something is happening, and it seems something rumbled the market right now. Because this is the current moment, it updates every like 0.5 seconds, and that is very, very often. So you might not even get a sale in that time. It's a funny feeling, not gonna lie. Okay, so let's change the mode. This was present. But what if you could feel everything? Absolutely everything. And by that I mean, what if you could feel the last whatever time period before this? I'm gonna feel the next 499 days on my nipples. Wait a second, I have to adjust. Ow. What does it feel to, oh God, what does it feel to feel the last 500 days of Dogecoin prices on your nipples? Let's find out. Oh God. Oh. Okay. God. As you can see, it plays the price of whatever the currency is, currently is Dogecoin, on my nipples. It just pushes into them or pulls out. Pulling out means, well, losing money, and pulling in means gaining money. Oh my God, stop. It really needs, oh fuck. It sometimes goes wild. It really goes wild. Oh my God. Okay. Be silent. Somehow this one lost the lights. Ah. What did I do this? Ow. 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 Damn. It's hot. So fucking hot. So yeah, I'm ruining my suit whilst doing this. I'm learning to expect when the prices are dropping and going up. Slowly, I'm learning. Okay. Yeah, this one is broken, by the way. Well, during wiring I had something disconnected, so it's not working right now. But the lights are working, which is ironic. Here lights are working, and here just the motor is working. Oh, okay, chill, please chill. Right. You can really feel the difference of the pulling and pushing.